Hi, friends. So, listen, I want you to go ahead and take a look at lesson 10.3 Enrich sheet. And I'm going to just walk you through the first problem on this page. Last week, when we talked about elapsed time, we were talking about how to measure that amount of time in minutes. So, elapsed time, remember, means the amount of time that's passed from the beginning of something to the end of something. And we learned three different strategies last week on how to do it. First, we learned using a number line. Why is that not going to work? Using a number line like this. All right, so I'm looking at the first problem. Mia's soccer practice started at 3:15 p.m. and ended at 4:20 p.m. How long was Mia's practice? So again, I know she started at 3:15 p.m. We need to find out how long was her practice. We started at 3:15 and we ended at 4:10 p.m. All right, so I'm going to, first of all, because this ends in a 5, I want to just get that to my friendly landmark 10, right? That ends with a 0. So I'm going to take a jump of 5 minutes. No. No, why is that happening? Of 5 minutes plus 5. And this will get me to 3:20. Great. 3:20. Okay. No. 20. There. Oh, come on. Come on. 3:20. All right. So now I'm going to take 10-minute jumps. Okay, 10-minute intervals. So I'm at 3:10 or 3:20. If I jump 10 minutes, that gets me to 3:30. And gosh, I'm just going to go ahead and quick skip to 4 o'clock because I don't want to do this so much. And I know that from 3:30 to 4 o'clock, 30 minutes has passed, plus 30, right? And then I'm going to go ahead that 10 extra minutes, which gets me to my ending time of 4:10. Okay, that's not going to do that. I'm going to add my 10 minutes. Now, I'm just going to add up all the time that has passed from 3:15 until 4:10 p.m. So, I know that 5 plus 10 is 15, plus 30 is 45, plus 10 more is 55 minutes. Now, this is a story problem, and I must label. I might just use the abbreviation. MIN period is the abbreviation for minutes. Okay. Another strategy we learned last week was using that analog clock. This is going to be really sloppy, but if I started at 3:15 p.m., that's where the 3 is on the clock, and I want to count around 5, 10, 15. Let's say this is where the 6 is going to be. 20, 25, 30. Okay, so 30 minutes has passed between the 3 and the 9. 35, 40, 45 minutes has passed. 50, 55 minutes has passed between the minute hand being on the 3 and the minute hand being on the 2. Okay. You can also just look at this and say, all right, well, if I know that 4:15 would be 1 hour past 3:15, and I'm just 5 minutes shy of that. So if 1 hour equals 60 minutes, and I subtract the 5 minutes that I'm shy of, or that I'm short of that ending time, then I know that it will be 55 minutes. So there's a couple strategies. I just want you to go ahead and finish numbers 2, 3, 4, whatever, the rest of the worksheet, including the one at the end. Please be sure that you label your answers.